guys, welcome back to the Mountain High YouTube channel. Today we're walking with the John Deere lawn tractor and we're moving some thick debris to the side hill. This is just a video we're making. This is a short video we're making before we have a real video going. We're walking on and it's still being worked on. I've just been really busy lately. I haven't got a chance to finish it up and get it to the channel. I'll give you guys a quick peek of what we're working on in the end of this video. So, well, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Right now we're going to be moving this debris to the side. It's been creeping out on our road. I've been meaning to do it anyways, so I thought might as well get on video while we got the plow hooked onto our lawn tractor hill. And I think one of the last videos we uploaded to the channel was plowing those wood chips, so that's when we hooked the plow on, and this is about one of the last things we did with it was the wood chip. So okay, let's get started, guys. I hope you guys enjoy it. Well, that was pretty cool. I know I felt kind of weird plowing the sticks when I should be galloping them and doing the wood chipping, but I got so much else going on. I just wanted to get this stuff out of the road and make sure I get a little bit more road space in there. Um, so it turned out pretty good. Now let's check out that quick glimpse of the what we're working on. Well, as you guys have seen, we have that thing all lifted up and the rims are painted, and we got a whole series and we got videos on that. I got to put them all together and get it all together, and I got a little bit more work to do and take some more video, and then we can get that uploaded to the channel in a couple more days or so. But I've been so busy, haven't got a chance to really work on that machine. I got a couple videos on the channel already of the Mastercraft, So now we're really trying to fix it up. We'll have to fix the key. We'll have to get a lot fault together. But otherwise than that, that's like my biggest walking tractor right now because it's John Deere. I don't want to wear the John Deere out. I'm just always real careful with it. It's kind of a collectible. Well, always now have a good night. You guys have. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, you guys always comment below. Smash that subscribe. Hit those likes. Have a good one.